Good morning and welcome to the channel. I feel like I'm always starting vlogs at this door, but today I'm gonna give you a little garage kind of update, because if you are new to the channel, which if you are, I hope you enjoy the content and you subscribe and stay for a long time. But if you are new to the channel, or maybe you're not new to the channel but you haven't seen the videos lately, I just want to fill everybody in on what's going on. So we have let's start with the Duramax. We have the Duramax, which is never going anywhere, been here since the beginning. That truck is literally my firstborn child. We have the yellow Corvette Z06 with the big wang. Now this is what I would call kind of my main car. Basically, most of my content is centered around this vehicle. I'm not going to be going anywhere, at least not for a long time. The newest member to the family is the C4 Corvette. This is a project car that I just picked up yesterday. If you didn't see that vlog, definitely check it out. It's a fun one, and it's going to be something, which I'm not going to reveal yet, but it's going to be something really cool. Then we have the Corrado, which is another project car that I picked up a couple of weeks ago. Haven't really focused on that car too much because it's just, you know, nice. It runs good as it is, and there's really no need to jump into stuff yet. The Corvette is a hell of a car for $2,500. Again, we talked about this in the video, but both of my Corvettes, by the way, are automatics, as you can see. Just kidding, they're fucking manuals, of course. One of the cool things with these cars is that although they are definitely from two totally different eras, the dimensions are pretty close. So you can see that the back here, about the same. I mean, this one is farther back, but it's also parked farther back. The width, I think the C7Z is a lot wider, but it's also a Z06, so it's wider than a regular base model Corvette would be. So the front of these is definitely longer, which is one of the things I love about the C7, how the nose slopes way down. It's almost crazy how they can jam a 6.2 liter V8 in there and still have such a small sloping nose. I love the styling of the C7. Not a huge fan of the C4, not my favorite Corvette, but it's really growing on me. And I mean, I still can't believe how good this thing runs for what I paid for it. That is going to do it for the garage update. I hope that answers some questions about the cars currently in the 717 stable. One more thing, I no longer have the Gasser Blue Silverado. I did make a video about that like 4 or 5 episodes ago, but we are going to take the yellow car up to Andy's. I have to pick something up, and then we will come home and focus on the red Corvette. Headphone user warning. We have arrived in beautiful Ephrata, PA, and by beautiful, I mean totally shitty. Got the red ZL1, looking good. Max, how are you doing, bud? Good morning.
Yeah.
Max stayed up all night.
I slept for 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour.
That's healthy.
Yeah.
Hey, before I talk to him, how's Andy?
He's all over the place. Yeah.
He's gonna race into the lap. Get some brake clean, just spray down the header, make sure all that oil's off that fucking header and shit. So.
How you doing, Andy?
30 hours worth of no fucking sleep. Doing great. Let's
Okay.
fucking go to Kentucky.
Wow.
Woo!
All right.
Yeah.
Wow, Andy's excited.
Yeah!
We're just here to figure out there's a noise coming from the rear, and Andy's gonna figure it out.
Hi everybody.
Whoa.
My name's Andy from the Alabama Racing. I need sleep.
Am I going? I know
I
you
need like
sleep.
24 fucking hours of
I'm
sleep.
telling you, you
No
need to go to
shit.
bed.
I can't wait to tow Nick's car down
You
to
need to
Kentucky.
go home and go to bed.
It's gonna be fucking awesome. I can't
You're gonna
wait.
crash.
I'm really excited. You're not going home. Stop! Whoa! Back up!
Damn it.
Stop! I need somebody to lift up on this a little bit. A little bit more than that. There we go. You're going all the way up.
I'm not going all the way up.
You're going all the way up. Get in the car. You'll be fine, trust me. If you die, I'll take over your YouTube. Yeah. No, no, don't start. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bye, Mike. We love you. I hope everything works out.
I don't want to be up here. Why are you all the way in the ceiling?
Fluid might have been low. We're just gonna make sure everything's full. Shut the fuck up, phone.
We got that taken care of. Now it's time to get back to the C4. I'm behind a cop. He's got his lights on now. Something terrible has happened.
There's so many there right now. I just didn't really want to step up in.
Yeah, holy cow.
They probably did all that, yes.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I saw him come across.
Everybody did a great job, you know, all the police, firemen, EMTs, they got her out pretty quick. She looked bad, but more so, I think she was probably just upset and shocked and, you know, kind of didn't know what was going on as opposed to being like severely injured. But so I'm sure she's going to be fine at the hospital later on. But everybody did a great job. Accident got cleaned up pretty quick, and there you can kind of see how the whole process works. That's the first time I ever saw an accident happen, believe it or not. I do a lot of driving. And I mean, I've seen minor shit, but never something like that. And I was literally right there with this car on its roof. So that's it. Well, seeing as though it is in fact about 6:30 right now and I have to edit and upload this video, I don't think I'm gonna have time to do what I wanted to do with the little red Corvette over here. It would probably take me like 2 hours, but then it will be nighttime, shitty lighting, and I think we'll just do it tomorrow. I will, however, end the video with a little mail time segment because we have not done one in a while, and we have some interesting looking packages right here. So the first one, let's see what we have. Street Speed 717, that's me, and this is from Decadent Minimalist. Decadent Minimalist Designs, Eric Moon. It says, "Hi Mike, I make these cool metal wallets, custom made out of metal," and it says Street Speed 717, Harrisburg PA. If you guys want to check them out, I will put their website up on the screen. It's, an American flag. Or leave it. I think it says love it or leave it. Yep, I felt like that was a good guess. Love it or leave it. Damn right. Now this is fucking awesome. This is an American flag made out of guns. Very appropriate. I did not see a note in these bags, at least I don't think so. Nope. So thank you to whoever sent these from Teespring, from the drone guy. Oh, it is in fact a Z06 Hot Wheels, a red one. Now I have yellow ones. Now I have a red one to match this car. Mike, I am sure you have one of these anyway. I don't, well, yellow, not red. Anyway, keep up the good work. Been watching vids through recovery of back surgery. Thanks, Kyle at DroneGuyAerial.com. I don't know what his company does. It says Drone Guy Aerial. Check him out. That's about gonna do it for this video. Sorry that we didn't get to the C4 project. It's a really fun project. You guys will love it. Coming tomorrow, but I did not plan on that accident happening, and it made me really late. Took a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take too. So I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. Take care, have a great day. I'm here in my garage with all my knowledge. I already made this shirt into a cutoff, but I just wanted to say I got an update from somebody who I knew that I ran into at the accident, which is kind of funny. And I'll link the news article down below, but I got an update from the person saying she was, of course, taken to the hospital. She has some severe injuries, but nothing life-threatening. She's okay, in stable condition, so that's good. The people that she hit, they're okay. 3 people were taken to the hospital in that car, the little Hyundai up there that I don't even know if it showed in the video. But her dog was okay too. She was traveling with the dog, and the dog is totally fine. So, but I did hear that she was texting and driving, distracted driving. You know, her car started to go off the side of the road rather than correcting the right way. She overcorrected. You know, probably not the best driver, didn't know how to handle the situation, ended up causing a terrible accident from something that wasn't that big of a deal. So the lesson here is don't text and drive, don't drive distracted. Pay attention to what you're doing, because you could hurt yourself or hurt somebody else. I mean, this was a little thing that turned into her crossing the median, crossing the grass area, and flipping over, hitting another car, sending other people to the hospital. I mean, it's just a total mess. So driving, it's not a joke. So just, that's the lesson for today.